Page 18, Unit 4, Under the Ocean. A. Listen and read. My Favorite Place by Karima.
This is the aquarium. There are lots of sea animals and fish. You can see them in the water. There's a starfish in this pool. It's on a rock. I'm next to the starfish. The aquarium is very big, and there's a tunnel. You aren't in the water, but you are under the ocean. You can see the fish through the glass. You can see big fish. You can walk under them. Look at the beautiful turtle. There are different areas with different fish and animals. I like the Arctic zone because there are polar bears.